People. We're just existing.
Sabrina Naves came out as transgender in 2018, while she is now the president of PFLAG Sacramento, an LGBTQ support group. When she was younger, she was not ready to be open about who she was.
I know that if I had been forcibly outed to my parents, that would have definitely been an issue of safety for me.
That's why Naves is thrilled Governor Newsom just signed Assembly Bill 1955 into law. It bans school districts in California from having policies that require parents to be notified about their child's sexual orientation, gender identity, or gender expression without the student's consent. That includes non-binary and transgender students.
So we're definitely relieved.
The legislation sparked heated arguments this year at the state capitol. Even just a few weeks ago, a debate between lawmakers almost turned violent over the bill.
You don't need a new law to further divide children from parents.
The California Family Council, a Christian public policy organization, opposes the bill.
Basic common sense tells us that parents have the ultimate responsibility to protect and defend their children. And we believe that this law not only takes away those parental rights, but it actually will put children in danger.
So what's next for opponents?
We absolutely anticipate future legal challenges for this.
Republican Assembly member Bill Essayli of Riverside posted on X Monday vowing to challenge the law in court. But the Sacramento LGBT Community Center believes that attempt will be futile.
I think that ultimately that courts are going to find that this aligns with the previous policies that were passed, the previous laws that have been passed, and the Constitution's protections for everyone to be treated equally.
CEO David Heitzman says young people should control when and how they tell their parents.
For my own self coming out, it was really important for me to have the opportunity to be able to share with who I wanted, when I was ready.
LGBTQ advocates say they will fight against any legal challenges that come up. Reporting from the state capitol, Orko Manna, KCRA 3 News.
Billionaire Elon Musk says he plans to move the headquarters of SpaceX and social media company X to Texas from California. He said this new notification ban bill was the, quote, final straw, adding that he warned Governor Newsom that laws of this nature would force companies to leave California.